are diversifying to some corporates and studios. Alright, but portraits because and this is the morning and this will be the evening. So the same thing, only different direction. Okay,
So now we are getting our own Lumix camera now. So currently I'm holding this very heavy S1R and 50mm 1.4, the legendary Lumix certified lens.
In a portrait mode, right, you can actually pull up also. Okay, for example, alright, okay, you can, this is the best I like because for portrait mode, so if let's say you ask her to change leg, so when you ask her to change her leg direction, right, okay, so I will always the compensation so that you have more shots of your talent, you have more choices for your talent or your client. This one is actually come on,